Today's video is going to be about the die grinder. I'm going to show you how to use this die grinder. It's a useful air tool. You need air. I have a 6-gallon pancake compressor that I will be using for this grinder. If you haven't used it, or when you don't use it, it becomes a bit confusing. But after this video, I'm sure you are not going to be confused. So this whole set came with these two open ends, and all you have to do is put the grinder piece inside, grinder bit, and then you just tie in those together. Then it works like a charm after that. I'm going to do a little demonstration with the grinder and the lawnmower blade. I couldn't find anything else to test with, so I figure lawnmower blade might be a great idea, since everyone who has grass on their lawn or yard may be wanting to sharpen their blades. Look at that, I just saved you 30-40 bucks. If you like this video, found it helpful, share it with others, and please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and keep an eye out for next one.